I jig I chew. My job's like, baby, they through. Pay me some water so I can get loose. Pay me some water so I can. Pay me some water so I can. I pop, I jig I chew. My job's like, baby, they through. Pay me some water so I can get loose. Pay me some water so I can. Pay me some water so I can. I pop, I jig I chew. My job's like, baby, they through. Pay me some water so I can get loose. Pay me some water so I can. Pay me some water so I can. Pop my shit, show my feet. Check the keys, bitch, I'm really is legit. You wanna jig with me, then good and pop this meat, yeah. Then do like this, then do like this, Gray suit, gray goose, bitch, I stay loose. Got some hoes ready to jig. When I say chew, go ahead, take two. Your friend, she can stay too. All them hoes just gossip about some shit they really can't do. I say, bitch, bend over and touch your toes. If you ain't shaking ass, bitch, go chase your fucking goals. Like I was looking for the nigga with the bankroll. I need to keep a cage for all these dog ass hoes. I pop, I jig, I chew. My job's locked, baby, they through. Pay me some water so I can get loose. Pay me some water so I can. Pay me some water so I can. I pop, I jig, I chew. My job's locked, baby, they through. Pay me some water so I can get loose. Pay me some water so I can. Pay me some water so I can. Know about your attitude, but you getting real kinda rude. You need to get your ass with that boom. Before I hit your ass with that boom. Yeah, triple stack, throw 'em back. What a threat, I'm into that. Retarded pack, yeah, we started there. DJ, run this bitch back. I say, bitch, bend over and touch your toes. If you ain't shaking ass, go chase your goals. Like I was looking for the nigga with the bankroll. I need to keep a cage for all these dog ass hoes. I pop, I jig, I chew. My job's locked, baby, they through. Pay me some water so I can get loose. Pay me some water so I can. Pay me some water so I can. I pop, I jig, I chew. My job's locked, baby, they through. Pay me some water so I can get loose. Pay me some water so I can. Pay me some water so I can.
I'm rolling like a nigga bowling.